I have 350 million views on YouTube and I help business owners scale on the platform. Here is one of my favorite ways to never go out of content to post. And yes, we are talking about long form and short form as well. Point is that we kind of would model Alex Hormozzi's tactic where he's like taking all his winner tweets and it just becomes a long form video. And you just kind of read it and then talk about it. Then read it, talk about it. Read it. It's like the honest advice type of videos. You probably know what I'm talking about, but we can turn this into one long form video. I collected 1 to 12. So it's 12. I think if you talk 30 seconds about each one, it's a 6-minute video. If you talk about more, there is 6 to 10-minute video around. These are actually good topics. So if you read it, you will like have thoughts in your mind and you can pre-write the script, but you could just sit down, read this, talk about it, and use that footage as a way to do shorts. So you would read it out loud, that is one short, and then you talk about it, that is a second short. And this whole thing is one segment in the long form video. Of course, we write a hook in the beginning before it. That would be amazing. What do you think?